So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will answer the most asking question, how much money you need to start trading and how much money really you have in your account to enter a trade or hold a trade, and which pair you have to trade. This video is especially for beginners and people who struggle in trading. Okay, so first thing first, I will show my account. This is my account and I start this account a few days ago. Okay, these trades are only in 2 days. Okay, so in 2 days I got at least $225.70 profit in 2 days. Okay, but this is not only 2 days. The experience I get, it is take my years, at least 2-3 years for this profit. Okay, so first thing I want to answer is how much money you need for trading. It's not about money. Trading is not about money. You don't need money for trading. Okay, just understand me. You need knowledge. What knowledge you need? First, the simple concept: support and resistance, liquidity, most important. Market structure is most important. The only thing you need to understand, in my coding, is a market structure. If you understand or mastered market structure, what is market structure? I will know. This is a market structure. Okay, market right here, market change its character, the change of character, and then market go down. I know. When I saw the chart, I know everything. Okay, this is my chart. Sorry if this chart is not looking very clean, but I'm trader and this is my chart. Really sure. Okay, so this is the way you have to understand the break of structure, change of character, market structure, where it's going upside, it's going downside, where it's going. Okay, this is the first rule you have to understand. First thing you have to understand for market structure. So right now come to the question, how much money you need for trading. For how much? Actually, you don't need too much money. Okay, look, I'm on enter in this trade. This Euro USD, Australian dollar and US dollar trade. Okay, so right now the market is closed, but I will go to BTC and I will show you the every pair have different price for a lot. Okay, so this is a one lot, not one lot actually. This is a 0.1 lot. Okay, so we can say one lot. I will enter in this trade with the two lots. How much money I need? I need only $4. Okay, and this is a fee of Exness broker. Okay, so actually for entering a trade I need only $4. Okay, so in my prediction, let's say market go down, I'm going to sell. Okay, market will, if I enter a trade with the $4, let's say market go down. In my opinion and in my analyze, if I analyze the market will go down, and you will open the chart next day and you will see market will hit this level. Okay, and we add SL in $2. Okay, so if market go back, I will hit my SL will hit, I will lose $2, $3. Okay, and if market go down and hit my take profit, I will get $5 profit. Okay, but I'm not going to enter in trade because this is not my setup right now. But this money you need for entering a trade, only $4. Okay, so if you have knowledge about where is market going, if you have knowledge you have analysis power, you have any fundamental or knowledge, you have to just, you need only $4 to earn $5. Okay, so this is how it works. If I increase loads, you can see, as I increase load, let's say I will enter 20 loads. This is a 0 1 0 sharia 20. Okay, this is not one lot even. Okay, so I will enter, how much money I need. I need only $14. Okay, $39. So I will enter the trade. And what is my profit and my stop loss? I will add my stop loss right here, and this is my profit. So this is how it works. This is not like any other gambling games. This is a real market. So when you enter a trade, you have to understand, you don't need too much money, you need knowledge, right knowledge. Okay, in just 2 days, this is including my this trade, that you can see this is the lots that I enter. Okay, only $7, 7 lots I will enter in trade, and you can see the profit. Okay, so this is, you don't need money for trading, you need a right knowledge. Right knowledge, if you have, you can do everything. Okay, so I will, you can see the trades in this is a trade only 2 days. Okay, maybe I lost in next days, but right now you can see first May, and the second May, and if I close this trade also in 1 May. Okay, so that's the profit. And I will share some indicator that can help you. Also, you have to knowledge to use these indicators. I use only these indicators. Okay, this is mostly used. I use mostly liquidity sweep, and this is a market structure, because I don't want to add lines where is market going. It automatically show me where is the market changes character, then where break of structure, where is break of structure, high is high, lower lows, it's automatically show. Also I know where the liquidity right now. You can see this is a right there is a liquidity. Liquidity is a fuel of market. If there is no liquidity, no one buy or sell. Always, if you want to buy something, this is the possibility that there is a thing you are buying. If there is no someone who sell the product, you are not be able to buy that product. So this is not like work like this. This is like liquidity is like a fuel of market.